This video is an open question video about the possibility of implementing animation easing in Geometry Nose. Animation is achieved through timing and spacing. Over how long and over what intervals did the change occur? That's what animation is all about. If we can control timing and spacing, we can create animations with our own personality. Blender's default interpolation method is the Bezier method. In addition, various easing methods are provided. We can also create our own easing curves using the graph editor. It would be nice if we could apply this concept to Geometry Nose as well. We can implement animations that move as the timeline plays through the scene time node. We can also stop the movement when reaching a specific frame through a switch node. The interpolation method implemented in this way in the Geometry Nose is a linear method. The problem here is how to implement additional easing like the methods provided by existing Blender. Now, open question is, it would be of course be possible to implement animation easing through Geometry Nose. However, I'm looking for a way to implement it so that people like me who are weak in mathematical thinking can understand it relatively easily. For those of you wondering how to implement basic animation easing on Geometry Nose, or if anyone already knows the answer, please let us know through the comments section below. Then I'll wait for your reply. Thank you for your time.